Good evening, friends. Welcome to Trade Galaxy. Today is 31st July 2021. The stock market video is regarding the weekly outlook of Nifty and Bank Nifty from 2nd of August to 6th of August. Friends, as you can see the weekly chart of Nifty, Nifty is trading with its existing bull trend, and due to the heavy supply available at the higher levels, it is finding difficult to move to the next higher levels. The weekly supply for Nifty is between 15,870 and 15,980. The weekly demand for Nifty is between 14,930 and 14,590. This weekly supply and demand zones will act as a major resistance and support for the market. And this is the daily chart of Nifty. Daily supply for the Nifty is available between 15,880 and 15,970, and the daily demand for Nifty is available at 15,290 and 15,140. Nifty is trading near to its supply zone. Demand zone for Nifty is far below from the current market price, but as I see, Nifty is most likely to test this demand zone before moving to new higher levels, because there is kind of liquidity available in this area. So Nifty is most likely to come to this demand zone to grab this liquidity, and then it will move to the next higher levels. And friends, this is the range for the Nifty for next week. So we'll try to trade Nifty between this range, and the important key levels to trade Nifty for next week, I'll show you that on hourly chart. The hourly supply for Nifty is between 15,850 and 15,008. Sorry friends, some mistake is there. Okay, it's okay. The first hourly supply for Nifty is between 15,850 and 15,885, and next up supply for Nifty is between 15,900 and 15,945. The demand zone for Nifty is between 15,575 and 15,510. Friends, these are the important key levels for next week, which we can look for the shorting or buying opportunities. So friends, we cannot trade these zones blindly. We need confirmation to take trade decisions between these supplies and demand zones on smaller time frames. Then only we can go either short or either long in this supply and demand zones. And about the Bank Nifty, my bias for Bank Nifty is negative. As I see the chart of Bank Nifty, the short term trend in Bank Nifty is down. The weekly supply for Bank Nifty is between 36,050 and 37,720, and the weekly demand zone for Bank Nifty is between 33,140 and 32,080, and this demand and supply will act as a major support and resistance for the Bank Nifty in coming days. This is the daily chart of Bank Nifty, the daily supply for Bank Nifty is between 35,735 and 35,985, and daily demand zone for Nifty, Bank Nifty is between 33,700 and 33,265. And as I see the same scenario on Nifty chart, Bank Nifty is also likely to test this demand zone as there is kind of liquidity available in this area. So, and Bank Nifty is near to its demand zone, and most probably Bank Nifty will test this demand zone very soon to grab this liquidity, and it will then move to the next higher levels. And the key important levels in Bank Nifty to trade for next week are the hourly supply zone for Bank Nifty is between 35,075 and 35,190, and the next supply zone for Bank Nifty is between 35,495 and 35,610. Okay friends, and the demand zone below are between 34,080 and 33,900, and the next one is between 33,500 and 33,260. Friends, we cannot simply trade these supplies and demands. We need kind of confirmation on smaller time frames to go long in demand zones and to go short in supply zones. But these are key levels, and prices will react to these levels, and there will be significant reaction by the prices in these zones. And if we get the confirmation in support with the supplies and demands, we can definitely find good trade opportunities in these zones. Okay friends, and this about the week about the trend, I clearly mentioned that my bias is negative in Bank Nifty and mixed in Nifty, uh, because in Nifty there is no clear downtrend as of now because of the present downtrend in Bank Nifty. Nifty is not able to move to the fresh higher levels, and it is also finding difficult to move higher. So if Bank Nifty moves further down, then Nifty will also follow and try to test this demand, and then it will move to the next higher levels. Okay friends, that is the outlook of Nifty and Bank Nifty for next week. Stay tuned and share this channel to the maximum people, so that maximum people can get benefited of it. And good night, happy trading, bye bye.